Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Grabbing tight and stripping that wire, day and night he never gets tired. Match the insulation to the right size gauge. Wire strippers now are all the rage. Hold the handle tight, pull with all your might. It leaves a perfect cut and it looks just right. Super cool and easy going. Now the insulation's gone and the wire is showing. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. If you're feeling bored and feeling static, try upgrading to an automatic. The wire's gauge can be any size. Get ready now for a big surprise. The head clamps down and it pulls apart. Whoever made this tool must have been really smart. It looks like it's gnawing on a tasty meal. It can cut, it can clip, so hey, that's a great deal. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Now the automatic wire stripper was my favorite tool of all the tools in my dad's garage. Why, you ask? Well, because it looks like it's eating the wire for lunch. Yum. You can strip wires with regular wire strippers, but it's much harder to do. An automatic wire stripper makes the job a cinch, and it's lots of fun. Let's watch him do it now, shall we? Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. Come on, wire stripper, come on, wire stripper, come on. I love my tools, and they are so